Get back. Step up. Go to the ball, face to get forward. Get back! Go! Shoot over, Thomas! Behind these guys. Take it, Andrew. Go, Andrew. Go, Andrew. Shot. When you have the ball, you're right defense, okay? Allow the jockey to go in. Good job, Musab! Sophie! Keep possession!
Head coach of the Waterloo United, tough loss today, but let's be honest, all the experts before the season started, as you got promoted, never picked you to get to the Ontario Cup Finals. You did, with hard work, blood, sweat, and tears from all your players here and your coaching staff. Well done. What would you like to say about that? And to all the so-called experts.
Yeah, all the so-called experts, I thought we've had a good, hard season. We've played hard. We've had limited squad, 17 guys who've given their all season long. We're in second place in OYSL, and we've made it to the Ontario Cup Final. I think it's going to be a great team next year, and it's only going to get better and better as we go along.
Not one time did I see any player get on each other throughout the game, and even as yourself as the coach, did you ever get emotional over the top and yell at the kids for any reason? How does that come about?
No, we were good. We all kept our composure. We played hard. We had some tough breaks, and I thought they played a good game overall. You know, we slipped up a little bit in the last 20 minutes, but we played really hard for the first 60 minutes, and then as you saw, they did very well themselves. So they're a tough team to play.
Congratulations on your achievement. Keep your heads up high, boys. You represented yourself and your club well.
Thanks.
Waterloo United.
Thank you very much.
Head coach of the Erin Mills Eagles again on top. That's 2 years in a row. Congratulations to you and all your players. But again, it's a team effort. But let's be honest, in that first half, you got a little bit nervous because I sensed that your boys didn't look hungry enough to me.
Well, I wouldn't say they weren't hungry, but they were definitely sitting back, waiting. But halftime came, these guys turned around, and you know what? They got a fire in them, and they're national champs, so they know how to win. Right? They want to go back there again, and they did it, and they're going to do it.
Gabriel, you saw something in the first half. What did you say at halftime to the boys that they needed to adjust and change?
We told them they wasted 45 minutes and we can't waste more, right? We had the last 45, we had to go out strong. We had to win the game quick. We told them, guys, 20 minutes, you have to finish this game. They did a lot better job and we won.
What do you want to say about your opponent? They came out to play in that first half and they gave you everything they could and you guys were having trouble.
All the respect for Waterloo. These guys came into OISL this year. They knocked off Ajax, which is a tough team. And you know what? They hats off to them. And they gave us a good half for the first half. And we prevailed, but we worked hard.
Erin Mills, congratulations once again, Ontario Cup champions.